Hi, I'm Lizzie Waterworth, British TV voice actor and author. I'm delighted to have partnered with Isaacs to bring you a workshop on Friday the 15th of November in downtown Chicago, entitled How to Talk So People Will Listen. This workshop is designed to help us feel more empowered and confident when speaking, perhaps from the everyday, so it's dealing with students in the classroom, to difficult conversations with parents, liaising with colleagues, or perhaps doing presentations in a large auditorium, which can fill some of us with dread. I've been doing a lot of voicing for over 20 years and have talked to lots of different people about this subject and written a book on it. And one thing I found is that just the words public speaking can conjure up so many different emotions. What holds us back from becoming a powerful, effective communicator? We're going to be delving into all of this, and we're also going to be looking at ways that we can help our students in the classroom develop their own speaking and communicating skills so they can improve and be the best that they can be. So join me for this and more on Friday the 15th of November. I look forward to seeing you and meeting you. Take care. Bye.